Red Teaming 101, part 10. We are doing great Windows machine from HackTheBox. It's Escape. So let's get started. So we're starting here with mmap. So this is really default 80 bucks, but there's already another ports are open, which one is MSSQL on port 1433. It's gonna be great. So let's start over here, SMB enumeration NXA, SMB, and giving here IP addresses. And then it's going to be giving here domain name, and then dc and sql.htb is over here. So that's great. So let's actually add it here on our etc and host file as sql.htb and dc. Let's save it. That's great. So let's looking for if we have an access shares as gas. And let's try to grab something. Okay, so we are actually access on the shares is over here. For to be listening, let's use SMB client -L and DC for to be listing it with SMB client, and this is great. So there's public shares which is not default as an accessible, and we have an access. Let's go the public and adding here double / also. So we are getting here PDF file, which is calling SQL Server procedures.pdf. So let's get it. Maybe there's nothing special, but we can also get here something important with active tool PDF. Doesn't look like it's a username or another things, right? So let's try to be visiting PDF file. I was gonna say I'm gonna go here, documents, HackTheBox, Windows, to Escape on a folder, SQL Server procedures, and we're getting here the bonus part. So for new hires, and those that are all still waiting to use us. So there's the use us and the password, and which is here. That's great. So let's close it. And we'll tap, and we'll get the class which is public user, and guest user can write one. That's great. So let's check it on to the SMB. If there's another the shares, if we can access, but it's really not needed. Okay, it's not a public for sure. NXC SMB. It's gonna be say the public user. It's not needed, but I'm just wonder if the crowds are matching. So it's matching, but we have also the guest access here. So we got here the open port is 1433, which is MSSQL. So we can try it on the MSSQL. It's over there. So, but it's not gonna be showing us here the big crowds or match, is because we have to be just here --local -authentication. Let's see. Then so we have an access as public user on MSSQL. How do we use it? We can use in packets MSSQL client, public user, give it a password, and the domain sql.htb. So we are in, get it. Let's go back, and I'm going to be show you which one we can use for MSSQL enumeration. So the first of all, the hack tricks or the best, I think is here. This is another thing you can, for example, looking for, but this I think is the best one is here. Let me scroll down. The command enumeration and get users or another things is fantastic MSSQL tab on hack tricks, which is here. Then also we can use my blog, but I think it's not cool for this machine because I'm gonna go show you here how I'm actually using the manual with SQL CMD, or you can go here tags. Gonna be go here the MSSQL, I think. So let's call here the pack MSSQL, and a Streamio we are get, and there's a manual MSSQL enumeration is also here, but it's just why we are getting here without password on the PS or WinRM or CMD. You can use the SQL CMD. So let's get using here. So first of all, let's get the name from system database's name with this command. I think it's gonna be work. So let's do it. we are getting, so there's a master temp DB model and MSDB, and which is here. So those are look like okay, but you have to be check it here, the table name, which one is the master temp DB model and MSDB. Those are all default. Okay, so it's a default databases, right? So we can call default databases. So we have to check the different things from here. We can try. So let's see, XP CMD shell, for example, you cannot run it. It's because we are not the admin here, we are just guests. So XP CMD shell my gonna be work because its permission was deleted. So what we can try is here, for example, XP tier 3, the C tab are not gonna be work. It's because we have no access. Alright, so that's all look like fine, I think, but there's another things we have to be sudo responder -i and tune 0 is which one is work for. So let me scroll down. I'm gonna be show here is work for MSSQL wrap. So and you can check out the servers. So there's just authentication proxy and VPAD proxy is off. The other all is open, so we can go here for grab the hash. So that's for all, and therefore I'm gonna be using. That's fine, right? Then we can use here exec commands. For example, there's need to be somewhere the exec command and the share. It's here. So I think it's not to be somewhere. Let's see. Yeah. The get it here in an exec. I'm giving here the XP or SP commands. Then I'm giving here the command is here. So we are trying to be just call back. It's over there on my responder. So gonna go use here. That exec is okay. So let's use it here. For example, XP.3. So it's because we're not getting here any permission they needed, right? Gonna use XP.3. I think it's gonna be correct. Then use your IP as shares. So for example, we can call here share. Giving here 1, 1. Right? Let's run it. Yeah, we are getting here SQL services hash, which is here. It's actually work. I think there was something on to Woolnap. What was it? Wait a minute. So it was snow scan box. Yeah, they claimed that too. So there's also the great information about here. So somewhere, yeah, it's about here. The snow scan is teaching us how it's actually work. So let's go. We are already getting here. So some default things about MSSQL actually. That's all. So we are get it. So let's see SQL services dot hash for save it. John SQL. Yeah. John SQL services dash wordless and user share wordless raku.txt. Let's try to be crack. Maybe it's crackable. So we are get it. So there's a password for SQL services regi123 running. We are get it. So we can try for nxz smbdc -u SQL services and then -p is this one. Maybe there's also shares we can access. So let's check it for, but it's not gonna be wrong. I'm pretty sure. I think it will be about to username the password. I'm gonna be go here WinRM. I'm pretty sure. And let's see. Gonna be similar nothing. So let's try with WinRM because all no. Yeah, the shares is not arguments. You have to be no. Okay, it's pwned. That's great. And nxz WinRM, just change it to it. We will WinRM. I'm giving here -IP as DC, and let's get it. So if you are working as a here MS SQL, so there's could be somewhere on the C tab before looking for net users and any others. So let's call in here tier, then yes, so there's an SQL server. So let's visiting, maybe we will get here something different. We got logs, so it's like great. So tier and the arrow log that back. So we can type it directly. It's because it's a readable file is over there. So maybe we could get a file here something like a file or something like that. So to be doing here, let's see. Gonna call the tier download error log that back. Let's analyze it here. Maybe there is some password or something like that. Maybe. Call here get error dot log back. Grab password. Nope. Pass. What? It needs to be somewhere the password, I think. The calling here password. No, there is no actually any password or something like that. That's fine. We can also check cdc users. Which users is here? Maybe we found another users password or something like that. Let's see. Gonna go here tier and Ryan Cooper we got. So the F Ryan Cooper, so we are here. So login failed user, the Ryan Cooper reason password did not match. So the password they are using muscular mosquito. So it's look like the Ryan Cooper using his password as MS SQL password, which is not match, which is cool. That's great. So I think we're getting here the password. Yeah. Let's save it as here, and we can call to Ryan Cooper, and the password of Ryan Cooper is nuclear mosquito. That's fine. So gonna come here, giving here for password, and for here I'm gonna give the username just Ryan Cooper. That's all. Okay, let's see. That's great. We pwn it and we are in. I was going for the evil winner dash I dc and dash here Ryan Cooper and Escalier Mosquito. Okay, so we are in. So we can looking for net users and Ryan Cooper. Then we got here remote management users. There's nothing look like special. Why am I all? And let's see, there is no privilege escalation like to something different. Let's looking for no here is anything important, but we can also check it. So let me show you something different. I want to actually show you it, which is great from to ADCS attack. Okay, let me show you here. While you calling name to Ryan Cooper on here, just change with WinRM to LDApp. So when I go here and -m for module and ADCS. So I'm gonna be seeing here if it's gonna be found any CNE and the calling name is, for example, SQL DC or something like that. There's could be here to certify attack or ADCS, and that's great. So we found already here. That's cool. So that means we have to be working for with the certify actually. So the for ADCS attack, we are just go here. I think the Seriaton block will be okay. There's need to be somewhere ADCS attacks with certify. So this is showing us here the grade. Search for vulnerable certificate templates with this command. So I think that there's no certify for me. I'm gonna use certify 80. Define the username. which is here, to Ryan Cooper, for password nuclear mosquito 3, and dash DC IP, which is here. Okay, vulnerable and enable. So generally I love using here stdot actually, but I like using almost care. We can also looking for with certify. It's gonna say here. Let's check it also with certify, by the way. Elliot download certify. Oh no, it's the tools certify. Look at certify.exe. It'll be somewhere. Use this one, by the way. All right. So, is it gonna say here? Got SA configuration for SQL DCSA, and to we get the access they needed also here. So we have no idea which ADCS attacks we have to be used here. This look like it's not gonna be showing us. For example, we can use it here escalation 1, 2, 3, 7, or 8, 9, or 12, or something like that. So it's need to be, we have to be solved with the certified.exe, because there is directly the file. Okay, let me upload certified.exe first. It's here. It's showing us here the data, by the way, cat, and we can check it. Okay, so gonna say its vulnerabilities is escalation 1, which is here. So we just need to be added here new computer, certified rec, and authentication pfx file. So how we are getting? So we are just using here this one for find the which one is here. Then use cat any of them, like this one. So an escalation 1 is vulnerabilities, it's gonna say, but there's some other information here we have to be know. Let me go back. Is the template name or the SA name, DNS name, or any others we have to be know. So this is really important. Okay, so that's how we are trying to be get the for or the name with Ryan Cooper. So gonna be working here with Linux abuse. For example, if you want to be working here Linux abuse, gonna be used here this one. So the first of all, add computer name, computer password, like here. I think I was using here before in packets at computer, the computer name, the password is okay also. I'm just give it here DCIP, by the way. Call it this one, and dash support for domain name. Gonna change it with sql.htp. For username, okay, gonna go use Ryan Cooper, and for password, gonna use here nuclear mosquito. Let's see. I hope it's gonna be work. Okay, so we are getting here relied user machine quoto exceeded. It's old. So there's look like it's not possible with Linux abuse, I think. Let me check it more. Maybe need to be know something different for escalation 1, while it's available with just the certify. Let's check it. So we are already uploaded here, right? So gonna be just using here certify.exe, and like that. Dash find vulnerable. We're already funny here. Okay. Okay, there's not needed here dash, by the way. Alright. it's here. Gonna use it here with certify, which is out. So if you have no with this, so let's request maybe directly. We can do it's out. Well, there is not what I'm actually looking for. Escalation 1. Certify. Okay. Escalation 1. Gotta go here. Okay. Certify rack. We can directly use the authentication administrator PVX. So which is cool. Okay, so I think it's gonna be work. So let's use it here directly. Certify. So I'm gonna go use here. By the way, certify. Nope. Okay. So just change it here. Certify with certify-ad and requesting here the username, which is Ryan Cooper. Ryan Cooper. And the password is nuclear mosquito, which is here, and -sa. We're getting here the SA, the SQL DCSA, by the way. Okay. Then there's a target. We can call SQL .htb, which is here. The template, I'm not sure we have to be given here template. So -upn, we are trying to be Go administrator and SQL.htp -dns. I don't think so. We are need to be given it. So let's find here template name, by the way, the template. So it's here. The template name is user authentication. So let's go here, the dash template, and give this. Okay, so let's see. Maybe it's gonna be work. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's looking for where we're doing junk. So the dash username. So we can go with dash u and for -p and okay dash target SQL.htb and SA we are already give. Oh, it's out. It's need to be work. I don't know why it's not. Okay, certify 80 rec. We are Ryan Cooper -p nuclear mosquito dash target SQL.htb and dash upn administrator dot SQL.htb and dash sa SQL right DCSA and dash template, which is here, user authentication. That's all. All right, let's try again. All right, so it's actually work. We got it. So maybe you're doing something wrong while it's doing the first time. So it's also need to be work. So let's try again. Yeah, it's also work. Or we can call this one. So for certify authentication dash PVX, we can try on it. So it's a PVX. Okay, so it's certify 80 just dash PVX. Okay, trying to TGT. Oh, if it's not work, by the way, we can use fake time. Maybe there was something wrong. yeah, the clock security great error. We can use mpd-s sql.htp. How is it what NSP? So let me check it first. So it was on my notes. Which one is about vintage? Wait. There's a fake time. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Here, ntp date-q. I'm giving IP addresses or sql.htp, and we're getting here the time for next word. So fake time. I'm going to use here fake. So let me use ntp again. And fake time, and I use it. So we just need to be give this, and then after that you can use which one you want. Set apply 80 and what are we using here? Authentication -pvx administrator pvx. Okay, that's pvx. All right, so we get it. It's actually work. That's great. And as it called, the hash for administrator is this. So we can use it directly for evil winrm -i pc and -u administrator and -h. Give this one. That's all, I think. So we got it. Let's see. All right, we are in. Thank you for watching. That's all.